Hello, Namaste to all. Now I will study about cell structure and function. We have seen about discovery of cell by Robert Hooke, and then I will study about what are the sizes of cell, what is the shape of cell, what is the number of cell, number, size and shape are varied in different organism or different organs of an organism. The number of cells may be one to more. When organism is made from a single cell, then it is called unicellular organism. And when many cells are found in an organism, then it is called multicellular organism, or we can say multicellular organisms is made from many cells, maybe a large number of cells. Some protozoa or bacteria are made from a single cell. Hence, they are called unicellular organism. But some organisms may be multicellular. Multicellular, unicellular means made up of a single cell. Multicellular means made up of many cells. Hundreds, thousands, millions and billions number of cells. many cells, a large number of cells, a large number of cells. Large number may be hundreds, thousands, lakhs, billions, millions, it is it. A human body is made from billions number of cells. And some algae, fungi are made up of hundreds or some hundreds of cells. Thus, organism may be made up of many cells. They are called multicellular organism. And some organisms which are also called microorganisms are made from a single cell, which are also called unicellular. Example of unicellular organism: amoeba, bacteria, and example of multicellular some algae, fungi, plants, and animals. Then we will see about what will be shape of the cell. Then shape is also varied in different organisms or in different organs of organism. Shape may be shape of the cell may be round shape, rectangular shape, shape may be round shape, shape may be round shape, shape of cell may be rectangular, shape of cell may be polygonal, shape of cell may be a spindle shape, this is a round shape. This is RBC cell. is epithelium cell of skin. Epithelium cell may be rectangular. Cheek cell, and this is cheek cell is spindle shape. This is polygonal, and this spindle shape. A spindle shape and example muscular cell, muscle cell, and some cell is of special types of shape. Special shape such as a nerve cell. Epithelium cell is found on skin, and polygonal cells are found in plant cell or cheek cell, and some cells are of a special type such as nerve cells is of a special shape and this is also called neuron cell, but all cells are filled with protoplasm, which is discovered by Purkinje or Purkinje. So, shape of cells are varied in different organism or different organ of organism or different tissue. Some cells are star-shaped. This is bone cell. This is nerve cell. And some cells are of oval shape. Egg cell. An egg is also a cell which can be seen by naked eye or without the help of microscope. Egg, hen's egg, is a cell which is seen without the help of microscope or direct naked eye. Therefore, the shape of cells may be differ in different organisms or different tissue or parts of an organism. These may be of different types. And size of the cells. What is the size of cells? The size of a cell is so minute or so small that cannot be seen by direct eye. These are seen with the help of a microscope. And some cells are few centimeters in length. Our nerve cell or neuron may be up to 1 meter long in length. Neuron cell or nerve cells may be up to 1 meter, 100 centimeter about. Or we can say the longest cell of our organism is in nerve cells or neuron cell. But generally, commonly, the size of cell are microscopic. Microscopic means which can be seen with the help of microscope. The size of cell are measured by micron unit. Micron unit. 1 micron means micron size. Micron 1/1000 millimeter is called 1 micron. 1 micron or It is also denoted by mu. Therefore, cell may be so small or minute they are measured by micron unit. Some bacterial cells are of 0.5 micron to some micron, or cell may be of 0.5 micron to several centimeter. Some centimeter. cm 0.5 to some centimeter. The smallest cell, the smallest cell of the body is a sperm cell. A sperm cell, and largest cell of the body nerve cell or neuron. Largest cell is ostrich egg. Ostrich egg egg is also a cell. Ostrich egg is measured as 17 centimeter to 13 centimeter. That means length and breadth. Centimeter to 13 centimeter. Centimeter in centimeter. And the longest cell of our body is nerve cells, which may be of 100 centimeter or up to 1 meter. Then we will study about structure and function. What is the structure of a cell? Cell is a smallest part of any living organism, and cell is a smallest living part or an unit part of an organism. Cell is a hollow box which is discovered at first by Robert Hooke in Cork slice. He called at first as cell. Cell means hollow box surrounded all around without any opening or without any hole, which is called cell. But cork shell discovered by Robert Hooke was dead cell. And after some time, cell living cells free living cells had seen by Leeuwenhoek in 1674 saw free living cells found in pond water. Leeuwenhoek Robert Hooke at first cork shell discovered cork shell. Leeuwenhoek 1674 living cells, free living cells in pond water. Or we can say, at first Leeuwenhoek saw some living cells are found in pond water for the first time with the help of improved microscope. After some time, Robert Brown discovered about nucleus, which is found inner side of a cell. Robert Brown at first saw a central part of the cell which was called nucleus, or we can say Robert Brown discovered about nucleus. Nucleus is an essential part of the cell which was discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus in 1831 discovered nucleus. And after some time, about 1839, Purkinje Purkinje 1839 discovered about all cell is filled with a dense liquid jelly-like substance which is called protoplasm. Purkinje at first told that all cells were filled with dense jelly-like substances called protoplasm made up of protein. Protoplasm, which is fluid substance, dense fluid substance made up of protein. Thus, Purkinje discovered about protoplasm. Protoplasm. About protoplasm. And told that all cells are filled with this protoplasm. Or we can say cell is filled with a jelly-like fluid or dense liquid-like substance which is called protoplasm made up of protein. At that time, about 1838, Schleiden, and in 1839, Swan told that all plant is made up of cell. And Swan and Schleiden, all animals are made up of cell and gave her a cell theory, or we can say a cell theory is discovered by Swan and Sladen. Swan 1938 about, and Sladen 1939. Discovered about cell theory. This theory tell that all cells come from pre-existing cell. All cells come from pre-existing cell, and a cell can be divided. A cell can be divided after some time, after maturation or after taking nutrition. A cell may be divided in favorable condition, favorable temperature, favorable atmosphere. A cell take nutrition, and after maturation all cells can be divided to produce two new cells, and told that all cells come from a pre-existing cells. After cell division, then this is also known as cell theory. This is also known as cell theory. Virtue in 1855 about further expanded cell theory. Cell theory given by Swan and Sladen. Swan and Sladen cell theory is expanded by cell theory was explained in detail by virtue. In 1955, cell theory explained or expanded cell theory in detail. And finally we will know about all cell is filled with a living protoplasm or dense liquid fluid like substance, which is called protoplasm, and surrounded by a boundary layer. Each cell we will know about structure of a cell. Each cell is surrounded by a membrane or layer and filled with a dense liquid or fluid-like substances. All cells or each cell is filled with a dense liquid-like substance which is surrounded by a boundary layer made up of or called cell membrane. Cell membrane. And filled with a dense liquid-like substance or fluid which is called cytoplasm. Or fluid-like substance, dense fluid like substance or jelly-like substance filled in a cell is called protoplasm. Protoplasm is divided into two parts. A central part is called nucleus, and outer part or peripheral part is called cytoplasm. Or protoplasm may be divided into two parts. Cytoplasm and nucleus. Nucleus is also surrounded by a membrane which is called nuclear membrane. And the fluid is called nucleoplasm. Nuclear membrane and nucleoplasm is called nucleus. Thank you.